Do a party? Make a party? Have a party? All right, everybody. So today's TikTok is about vocabulary, and specifically it's about collocations. Now, remember from a past video, collocations are two words that often go together and they just sound right to native speakers' ears. And other words, sometimes, even though they may grammatically fit together, they just don't sound right together. So in our example here, we have make a party, do a party, or have a party. In this case, the two words that collocate together are have a party. So in English, native speakers are going to want these two words to collocate together. We don't make parties, even though that makes a lot of sense, and we don't do parties either. So in addition to having a party, you can throw a party, organize a party, arrange a party, plan a party. So you have a lot of options, but we don't make a party. You can make invitations for your party. You can make decorations for your party or make some food for your party. You can do some cleaning or, do the laundry, do the dishes in preparation for your party, but you're not going to do the party. So remember this one, have a party. It's a collocation. Have plus party go together. How do you know what words go together? Well, the bad news is there are no rules. Like these two words always go together. Like there's no rule like there's a grammar rule. But the best way to learn collocations is to read a lot in English. This will help you notice when words go together, and sometimes dictionaries will also give you information about collocations. So look there as well. And good luck with all of your party planning.